Welcome to our channel. While Paramount Plus doesn't directly allow you to choose your billing date, you can effectively change it by canceling and resubscribing. Here's how. Step 1. Visit ParamountPlus.com and sign in to your Paramount Plus account using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon and select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Billing or Subscription to view your current billing cycle and renewal date. Step 4. Note your current billing date and determine when you'd prefer to be billed each month. Step 5. If you want to change your billing date, you'll need to cancel your current subscription by clicking Cancel Subscription. Step 6. Confirm the cancellation and wait until your current paid period ends. Make note of when your access will expire. Step 7. On the date you want as your new billing date, visit ParamountPlus.com and resubscribe to Paramount Plus. Step 8. Select your desired plan tier and enter your payment information to complete the new subscription. Step 9. Your new billing cycle will now start on this date and renew monthly on the same day. Step 10. Alternatively, contact Paramount Plus customer support and explain that you need to change your billing date. They may be able to adjust it without requiring cancellation. Step 11. Keep in mind that changing your billing date may affect any promotional pricing you had on your original subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.